everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you for being here. We got invited to a birthday party. One of our church members invited us to a birthday party, and I want to bring something with us. And I decided that I want to make mini individual desserts. I was looking for plastic cups that we have in the United States, kind of like how do I explain them? I don't know. Just plastic cups, see-through, but they don't have any of them here. So I found something even better. Oh, look at these. I think any dessert is going to look so beautiful in these. I was looking for just plastic cups that are about like this tall and a little wider, but it is what it is. I think these are gonna work out just as good. There is no recipe here. This dessert is something I just came up with on my own, with the ingredients I had on hand. So we're just gonna start with whipping our whipping cream. That's it. And then we'll just add our cream cheese and the mascarpone. I don't even know if I'm saying correctly. Please correct me. Now the best part, we get to decorate our dessert with some fresh berries.
Is this not too much berries for Dad?
No. And this is these strawberries. The strawberries are in season. They smell so good.
I think we have some strawberries.
Where?
Look over there. I think I was growing strawberries, but I didn't give them water. Oh, there are chicks. It's not really cute.
Okay, over here. spiky. Mm-hmm. Very good. Today is a special day. Andreas turned 45. And we're not doing anything special. We're just gonna be at home with the family. But I need to bake him a cake. The reason I'm doing it today is because I made one yesterday and I made a mistake by leaving the cake on the countertop, and because of the high moisture level, it absorbed a lot of like water moisture, and it didn't have the crunch to it that it was supposed to. And I'm talking about the pavlova cake. I don't know if you know what it is. It's a meringue cake.
Yeah.
And it just lost its crunchiness.
And we ate it all.
Yeah, and the kids ate it in the morning.
It's already gone.
It is gone. So I'm making another one.
So the yolks in the Red Bull and the...
Yes, we're separating the egg yolks from the whites.
I know how to do that, so I
But this time make the cake a little bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
We also have a small project going on. I don't know if you remember what. You can probably hear it. Oh, baby. Okay. Patience. I love you. Let me get another egg. It's okay. No. How about not right now?
It's just I kind of messed up.
How about some other day? You can probably hear Andreas working. No, not right now. We are slightly remodeling the bathroom. Our bathroom had
A door.
two doors. No, our bathroom had two doors.
Yeah.
One would lock, one didn't. It was a very simple door that was just awkward. It didn't lock, and so whenever people would come in, no, we don't need any eggs. When people would come to our house, it would be a little awkward and weird. So yeah, we are closing that door, and I am gonna show you in a minute. Who's gonna be the egg yolk?
I said first.
See how many helpers I have?
I will. Because
No, not with that. No, not with that.
I will help. I said first.
Give me the mixer.
Where's it?
Mixer.
But can I be? I said first.
Whoever's gonna get the mixer is gonna be. Period. And the winner is
Me.
Aiden.
I was not fighting for it. I was just relaxing.
Okay, beat the eggs and then high
Speed.
speed. I will need to invest into a nice stand mixer because this is not gonna work. I always bake. I bake for all of the church gatherings, birthdays. People ask me to bake them desserts for birthdays. I don't charge anything. I just do it because, why not? But yeah, when you do bake a lot, you really do need a nice mixer. But that's for future, I guess. Okay. I need to go help Andreas hold something. Okay, I guess our egg whites are gonna have to wait a minute. Okay, let's go help my husband. Okay, I'm holding it tight. About this side, you're gonna need help with this one too. Are you gonna do the same thing for these two?
Oh, later.
Okay, can I go now?
Okay, I need. Okay. One more. No, later.
Later?
Cup. No.
Okay, I'm gonna go
Okay.
then. Also, I don't have any measuring cups or measuring spoons, so I just use what I think is gonna look like a measuring teaspoon. You know, to me, this looks like about a cup. You know the measuring cups we have in America? This looks like a cup to me. So I use this as my measuring cup. Oh man, I got egg whites all over me. And so teaspoons. Also, I don't have measuring teaspoons, so I use a regular teaspoon. How much am I gonna add? About that much, because I think that's how much a teaspoon is. Maybe a little bit more.
Where's Aiden?
No,
Aiden?
he might be outside. We also need some lemon
For what?
juice, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit.
Like, why do you need lemons?
We need a teaspoon of lemon juice.
Ew, why?
Let me take the seed out. And I think it's about a teaspoon.
Does that even have any, I think it's gonna taste sour now.
No, I always make it with lemon juice because the recipe calls for it.
What,
Now we just mix it, mix it, mix it.
Can I mix it?
No,
Why?
because this process is very...
Can I lick this?
No,
Why?
raw eggs.
No. I thought you were gonna make it into a shape.
Yeah, a circle.
But how?
Not just a
I don't know.
blob.
Starts with a blob,
Yeah.
and then you form it into a circle.
It smells now
It
different.
doesn't look good, but it looks yummy.
Okay, now
I think that
let's
was
shape
bigger.
this.
I think it's bigger than the other one.
No,
Ooh, some
they all
cream.
should be the same size.
I saw cream on your finger.
Yeah, it's not cream, it's the egg whites.
And what makes it all white?
Eggs and sugar,
Is that all you added?
pretty much.
Did you add any flour?
No,
Baking soda?
no,
Baking powder?
no. Look at you know all the baking ingredients.
I know.
Okay, we're
too.
making a deep well inside
That's not that deep.
because it will rise. So
See that? Don't see that?
It's not really deep, but it's deep.
I actually never made a full meringue, like a pavlova. I've always made the mini ones, and they're I think a little easier to make because you just pipe them out of the bag, and I don't know. I just find it to be a sort of easier.
Why can't you do the same thing with these? The big one.
Okay. Chipmunk.
I think that wastes
Be-
your time.
Quiet. So be quiet, chipmunk.
Don't make it too thin later. Or it will look
Just look at
ugly.
that little egg white.
So we're gonna bake this for about 2.5 hours.
Mama, can you make the cream be yellow inside, and then put
No.
inside egg? The cream for it to be yellow,
What?
This looks
and this is gonna be like an egg.
beautiful to me.
Oh!
If you put an egg yolk in here,
Yeah! But
it
you-
will look like a sunny side up.
But you'll need a lot of eggs. Or
Yeah,
an ostrich egg.
or that.
Can you make it?
This looks so
Can you
beautiful.
make it like to look like an egg,
No,
please?
no.
Why?
Okay, we're gonna pop this in the oven and wait for it to be done.
For like 15 hours.
No, about 2.5 hours. So
If it'll be
I'm
15
gonna put
hours,
a
it'll
timer
be
for.
black.
I'm gonna put a timer for maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes. Sounds
2
good.
hours.
Okay. Another helper. Lemonade helper.
And another helper.
Mm-hmm.
This is how I make fresh lemonade. Well, I'll do this half. And maybe a little bit of this small one.
Our lemonade is ready. No, enough.
No, that's not enough.
We're just gonna add our strawberries.
No, not the dried ones.
Yeah, I think they will work just as good as frozen. Let me add more. I
Yeah.
wonder if it will turn pink. Oh yes, it's already turning pink. Ah, beautiful. Hold on. Look, I got more.
It looks
More
so
strawberries coming.
tornado.
Yeah, see, these are not.
Can I put them?
Here, grab them.
Whee! Oh,
Take it. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now we need to mix them in. Yeah, perfect. The idea of using frozen, freeze-dried strawberries came to me yesterday. I like the strawberry drink from Starbucks. What is it called? I don't know.
Is it
I
circle?
don't have it very often. But they have a strawberry drink, and they use freeze-dried strawberries. And I was like, why can't I use it for my lemonade? Who said I can't? Right?
yeah.
Who said Mom I can't use freeze-dried strawberries?
I think I tried it before I started.
Your brain.
Let's try. Do we taste any strawberries yet?
Oh, I have a question. What are we gonna have salty food?
This is so good. Yes, I can taste the strawberries.
What are we gonna have? Shish
Shish kebabs today? No, don't put that in there.
Why? Can I have a little bit?
Look at the color.
Let me have
It kind of looks orange. It looks
Beautiful.
orange. Yes.
Can you pull up your sleeves?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna put this one. Looks pretty. Okay, just don't move my shirt. Oh, check.
Tasty. I'm gonna add this whole entire thing.
Yes.
Full.
Yes, just give me a minute.
Don't eat anything. Wait on this bowl.
I'm just eating the cucumber.
Okay. Now do I pour the entire thing?
Yes, you can use this thing to scoop it out.
I'm gonna just
Go ahead.
open this thing back out. Now, this thing. Get all of this. See how much there's still in here?
Yeah,
You would throw all this away.
that's why I gave you that, to scoop it out.
There's still a lot more. Just on this side.
Do you need help?
Nope.
You got it?
Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna go help Dad. Dad needs some help. Okay, keep scooping. I'm gonna go help Dad.
Okay.
Okay, where do you need to go?
Is that on? Did you even wash this?
Yes. Look at these. The bottom and now this.
Okay, now we need to get some dough. What is it?
Look at the pumpkins I have. Look. So where's the one I have?
There's one over here. Is there one there?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cool.
And then my brother's 1, and then he should have another one somewhere.
And there's one more over here.
Where? Stuff in my plate. Where? Oh, let me see. Lucas's. Oh yeah, looks like the pumpkins are pumpkins.
Look, dead butterflies.
That one is mine.
Did you get any dough?
Yeah.
That's not enough.
I know, I'm getting
We
more.
need more. Do we have any cucumbers? Yes. Look at this one. It's ready.
Add spiky.
They are very spiky.
I don't want to get any. So I just
Yep, there you go.
okay. I'll let out some of the butterflies. Calculate.
Let's see. There's
What do you mean you're going for? This?
one here.
This? This much? When are our tomatoes gonna start
Here.
growing this much?
We need more. Sorry, did I step on your foot?
Yes.
Hold on, there's more.
We'll make it.
Okay, more and more and more. Every single.
Is
this enough?
No, we need more. Our deal looks a little sad, but it is what it is. By the way, I wanted to show you guys our well and how much water we have. It's unbelievable. We never had this much water in our well.
I'm confused how there's so much.
We're so happy.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody move. I don't want to drop my phone. Look at that.
Where are you? Show me? I already saw.
Look,
Oh, wow.
you can almost reach it with your hand. Yeah. Unbelievable. Thanks to all the rains, all the thunderstorms.
Ren,
Right?
come back. We need you.
Obviously that water won't last us through the summer, but we're just so grateful for a full well. We never had this much water. Never.
If it's gonna be like full to the last, like the second to last, then it might last us through the summer.
No.
Well, it might. Is it?
No.
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 Never say never.
Well, just no. It won't be enough. And I would like to thank everybody who supports our channel, who supported the GoFundMe link to get us a deep well. We are very grateful to each and every one. And if you would like to support, there will be a link in the description box. And if you can't, just share the video, share the link with your friends and family. Maybe somebody else can help us out. So yeah, I'm gonna now cut the dough because I don't want to use a cutting board and the knife, so I'm just gonna use the scissors to do it. I'm lazy to use a cutting board, so I'm just gonna do this.
Did you wash it?
Yes.
Then that's good.
I'm already getting pretty hungry.
I'm waiting for shish kebab.
I'm getting hungry. And when I'm hungry.
Who told you we were gonna make shish kebab?
I did.
But where's all the shashlik?
It's in the refrigerator.
Where?
Refrigerator, that's a freezer.
Oh, it's in the store today. It's in the box?
Mm-hmm.
But who bought it? Mom, if you
Dad did.
it's coming. Guess how hot it's
Mixy.
28. Oh, that's gonna be a nice one.
Time for dirty work. We need some baby potatoes for our birthday lunch. Let's see if we can have what we want. Oh, I see potatoes. I see lots of potatoes. Let's see if there's anything. There's another one over here. And it's big.
Oh, this is a giant potato.
Make sure we get all of it.
I got a bucket.
Oops. Go ahead.
What if you plant that plant again? I'll look around.
No. You need to plant the potatoes.
Oh. So you just bury the potato and then it'll turn into a
Yes,
plant?
more potatoes.
That's cool. There's a little baby,
Mm-hmm.
which is going to be mine instead of Esther's.
There's more over here, look.
You know?
And there's one more. Right here.
Huh?
Is that it?
I'm sure, yes.
think it is. No, look, one more.
2 more.
Oh, there's another tiny baby one.
I just saw a big giant worm.
What? Not a lot here.
Oh, there's only one big one.
No, there's more. I saw more. Right here. Look. There's one over here. Look, there's another one over there.
This one has so little, but at least they're giant. Oh! Ugh! What's this?
That's the mushy potato, the one that we planted.
Millipede!
Let's see if we have any more.
A millipede! Wait. Millipedes are so fun.
Oh, the sun is coming out too.
Aiden! Mama, do you think I should let Mr. Millipede go?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what
Lucas, look at all the potatoes we have.
Where do you go?
Let's go wash them.
He jumped off.
Do you want to wash them?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
This is
wash them
my
here.
job.
Let's go.
I forgot to get the gloves. I need a black. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, I want to display. Let's just pop them out at the same time. 2, 1. I'm gonna display. I'm gonna go and water the plants. Sorry. Just it's kind of heavy. Did you water these? It looks like they already were watered. And close. Now over here. Cucumber plants. Ну что, помидорчики. Еще больше. Я же так их много. Ну все, это что, ты много ешь, я много ем. One potato. Oh. 2 potatoes and And all the mini potatoes are mine. I took one mini potato. That's not many. But that's pretty many. Come back here. Or A, B, C, D, or E.
Maybe B.
B?
Mm-hmm.
Why not C?
Because sugar.
Ma, what if there would be no sugar?
A.
How about search look?
A.
Tzatziki. A.
A.
Cucumbers. A. Potatoes. A. This stuff. A. Barbecue. B. Now, which one is barbecue? C?
Probably D or E.
That's what unhealthy barbecue is?
Mm-hmm.
What about ketchup?
Same thing.
Esther.
We had a very delicious lunch and now it's time for the dessert. This cake is so fragile that I don't even want to move it onto a beautiful platter or a serving plate. So we're just gonna eat it off the baking sheet, sorry.
Wait.
So I'm just gonna put it together really quick and it will be gone. It will be gone in 2 minutes.
In 2 seconds, you mean?
Or in 2 seconds.
Because we're always eating sweets. Whatever mom makes.
This dessert is so light and we're not looking for anything perfect here right now. So
That looks good.
as long as it tastes good.
As long as it is good. Strawberry. No, I want it out green. Can I have the bowl and the spoon?
Hold on.
Do it after. Can I? You know what I was thinking?
What?
You need one giant strawberry and one giant blueberry. How would mom make that?
This is
Oh, she
the
could just
best.
melt this.
Here you go. Shh.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
Now let's just decorate this with some strawberries.
Yeah, mine is gonna be a cute little butterfly.
Just everywhere. Yeah, just throw as many as we can.
Sorry, and now blueberries. Right, mom?
Yes.
You know that I don't like blueberries that much, but I like wild blueberries.
This is gonna be so good. I can't wait to dig in. Our birthday boy with his birthday cake. Happy birthday, Andreas.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna have some good, delicious cake with tea.
That I helped make.
Aiden made most of the cake.
Yeah.
Oh, shoo.
It's mine.
It's good. Look at that.
Do you want to cut it, Andreas?
No, you can cut it for me.
Okay. We forgot to buy you candles, Andreas. So.
I reminded you, but you still not got it.
Oh, it's.
That's really cool. No, that's cool. I want that piece. No, that's for Dad.
Yes, the first one is for the birthday.
The second one is for me. No, the second one is for the one that made the cake, which is me and
It's
Mom.
falling apart. Hold on. Let me get something really quick.
The second one is
Maybe
for
let's
me.
get one of these.
That's how much it's falling apart. Is that a spatula or whatever?
Yeah, well, no.
This thing fell.
That's okay.
Oh. Oh, this looks good.
That's for me.
Yes, the first one is for Papa.
You slowly flop. No, I did.
Oh, that's so good. Okay, who's next?
Me. Put that on my plate. I said please.
It is so fragile that it's
For me.
falling apart.
Please close.
So are you gonna eat this much?
Yeah, I definitely will. I love that. I don't know if this will actually.
Look how you can't see it from. Show it from this side.
Why are the strawberries inside?
I was cutting and one of the strawberries got in there.
Okay,
Look.
I'm Luca.
That looks so good.
I don't know. Are they blueberries? One of the flavor in the cream. No. Okay, whipped cream. I'm almost. Where the flesh on to celebrate? Okay, put
And
me.
hold on, let me put some berries.
Put me a smaller piece of blueberries. So I do not like. I like to have anything.
Okay. This much?
Yeah, perfect. Well, mine fell apart.
They all fall apart.
Mine kinda. Oh, mine is a little better than everybody's. Okay.
And that's for you, honey.
That's for me, yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I could
Go.
easily eat that.
How big your plate is?
Yeah.
I need some berries. I don't have any. Mama, you took a big piece. Are you sure you want to eat that much?
And that's it. See,
Okay, well, let's dig in.
like Big Mac. Oh,
Let me know what you think, Andreas.
It's really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look how, can you,
very crunchy.
very crunchy, yeah.
Реально.
And now we're off to church. I hope you enjoyed this video and we wish you all the best.
Yeah, bye.
God bless you.